Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, it's Sunday morning, August 23rd, and we got a beautiful day. Mrs. Kapper and I are headed across the river right now into Kentucky. We got a bunch of her furniture that we're going to offload there. I'm going to fertilize the food plots, and I'm going to continue working on the 2 deer towers. So join us for a fun Kentucky vlog day, and we'll see if we get something done.
I think I found the home for it. I'm going to put it in this other bedroom that has the twin beds. Just because it has a nice little space over here. And I don't want that other room to get too crowded. So it fits in there really good. It didn't fall apart on the way over, so that's really good. And I'm going to put something on that back wall there. Not sure what. Something nice to look at. And yeah, the corner, we still have to do the corner trim. So that's why those gaps are there. But that is the light that I made out of that sassafras branch. And the little pencil holder that I made out of sassafras log. And these are the kitchen chairs that I finished a long time ago. So that fits in there really good. Office chair probably wouldn't fit unless it was a small one, because it really wasn't intended to be a desk anyway. So I think he'll be doing a lot of video camera reviews, trail cams, who knows what else. So on to the next project. I also swapped out the light that was in here, and this is that split log cedar lamp that I made, and it has the stone base, so it fits really nice on here. I think it looks nice in here. Love that shade. I had to order it, but man, they're expensive, but I really like it. So I think I am just about done with this bedroom now. Okay, maybe not just about done. I forgot, I have this mirror here with barnwood that I made, and I'm going to hang that up right here on this wall. And then I'm just going to get a small dresser and put it in front of the window there. And then that TV, I think, is going to get mounted up in the corner there. Now that should take care of it. Maybe. I'm sure I'll find something else to do in here. This is in the living room. It's that wall of barnwood and tin. And I brought with me a piece of cardboard because I'm going to make a mantle. And I think I'm just going to have it free floating, just because it's only 49 inches long right now. So, just a little over 4 feet. I think if I try to put legs down to the floor, it won't look very good. I may put a couple of just some post short ones right on the ends. I'll show you some pictures of what I was thinking. But I didn't bring the mantle itself because it's very heavy. And so that's why I just brought the cardboard. And it was more to just be able to visualize a little bit better. I could run it past into the wood, but I didn't think of this when I was putting this wall up. The wood is, I think it's 1 inch, 2 inches thick, and so the tin sits behind it. I also got the coffee table in. This was from the old barn door here on the property. Alright, so this is the door that was on that garbage barn that I took apart, and what we're going to do with it is Mr. Kapper is going to just cut through these braces here, and I'm going to use these 2 sections here as a coffee table for in the living room. I'm going to keep those hinges on, so that's why we're going to cut it right through this brace here that I salvaged. So it fits good. It has a matching end table, which will be in that corner. We ran out of room on our truck today, so that will be coming. And then it goes with this log lamp here that I made. So that'll be in that corner there. But this one, I think it turned out pretty good. It's got the original hinges. And then I just made this little, actually a little toolbox. And that was out of some tongue and groove that I found. And it has some drink coasters, which are some cedar slices. And then it has room for the remotes whenever we get that going. So a couple more baby steps. And then that's where the TV cable will sit. And then we'll mount the TV on that wall. We have a lot to do to close up this wall yet. I got to close up the ceiling, hide that wire, and also fix that and hide that so you won't be able to see it.
All right, and there it is. I didn't split the difference quite good enough. I usually just make that bottom one at eye level, but it should have been 5 feet. It should have split the difference. But anyways, it still works. The only difference is if you do it.
Well, I've been here almost 3 hours already, and I still haven't even got to the main thing I was going to work on, and that was the cabinets. So I have the doors at home that I actually rebuilt, made them different. So my goal was to start getting the paint on the doors, or on the frames. So the bottom is just sanded, and it's ready. And I don't think I'm gonna prime it since I'm putting a darker color on. If I was painting them white, yeah, I would definitely prime them and make sure nothing came out through it. Well, I got the bottoms done, and I like that color. I really do. It's actually this color that I used on the barn boards here, except that was a flat finish, and this is an eggshell because I want to be able to clean it good. So it's going to be pretty bold, you know, because those will be the same color. But I think with the white appliances, and this is the backsplash that's going to be going on here. So I think all that would be a really nice contrast. Now for the top one.